Hey guys, it's Kelly with Cowtown Cottages in Waxahachie, Texas. And today we're gonna walk through the Cardinal and I'm gonna show you some things that I did to Kellyize this floor plan. So the first thing you're gonna see in this is normal. Y'all have probably seen this floor plan a dozen times online. It's a very popular floor plan because this is a 15 wide home. So when you come in the entrance, you have this feeling that the home is much bigger, but it's not. 15 wides are shorter, so it's 15 by 26, versus 11 by 34. So that's the difference in the sizes and how they'll live for you. Because this is 15 wide and you don't have the length, your kitchen is combined with your living room. And so you come over here, you had the galley kitchen, but one thing that I did is I went over here and I added this L shape. I wanted more prep space and I wanted a little bit more cabinetry for storage. And then this could also be an eat-in bar. I have it just as a prep island with some great storage. This is just a freestanding piece of furniture. You can have the builder build an island that rolls, that has storage in it. I personally prefer a piece of furniture to make it look and feel more like home. So when we come down here, one thing I love about the Cardinal over the Tumbleweed is that because the washer and dryer is in the closet, we're about to see that, it gives you a pantry. And if you're gonna live in a Tumbleweed or a Cardinal, pick a Cardinal because it has way more storage than a Tumbleweed. So come here and see that this is a great size pantry here. And the other thing that people have loved about a Cardinal is that it has the great bathroom. It has great storage, it has the drawers, it has the cabinets on the countertop. In this particular floor plan, you can also opt to have an upper cabinet instead of it sitting on the countertop in case you want more space for your things. That is an option. And then you have a shower here. You have an option to do a glass sliding door or not. You can also do a tub. This could just be an open shower so that you could do a shower curtain if you don't like the glass. So again, you have options when you design your tiny home. Let's head to the bedroom. So in this particular home, this bedroom could be a number of ways. Again, I've talked to y'all about this door that goes to the bathroom. I live in a tiny home. The last thing I want to do is hear someone going to the restroom while I'm laying in bed. So inevitably in all of my models, I wall that in for a dresser space because that is very functional dresser storage. And so, but you can have the door back if you want it. It's just really your own preference. So in this room, we did the bed this way. We have also done the bed on this wall. One thing I love about having the bed this way is it's going to give you a deeper space for that dresser. And so that's a nice feature. But the other thing I love is that it gives you a normal window. Like this is the kind of window you would have in a stick-built house. It's not the RV window above. And for that, I love it because it just feels more like a home. You can add your side panels, add drapes, and that works well. And then in here, this is the favorite thing about this floor plan for all of our buyers. This is a walk-in closet. So you have double rods, we've added that. You have a space for long hanging, we've added shelves for shoes, and then you have your stackable washer and dryer right here. So the Cardinal has been a fan favorite because of the closed storage it gives you and because of the pantry storage that it gives you because of the washer and dryer being here. Now I want to go show you that we ramped up the storage one more time in this Cardinal. Let's go in the loft. We have given you a closet for the lofts. So whether this is your out of season clothes or whether this is the closet for the person who is staying in the loft, who lives in the loft, this is a phenomenal option so that you don't have to compromise how you live when you go tiny. And maybe you're in marketing, maybe you work from home, maybe you need a place to store product because you sell products from home. This is a perfect closet for all of those reasons and more. And so we hope you've liked it. This is the Cardinal. I'm Kelly in Waxahachie. Come see us at Cowtown. Thanks for watching.